Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing good. This is the third lecture of Python 0 series. In this video, we will learn how to write your first Python program within 5 minutes, even if you have never done Python coding or any program coding before. So, as I mentioned, we will learn how to write our first Python program. We will learn what is print function. We will learn how to run Python code, and we will also learn common mistakes that we might commit as a beginner, which is good for you. So first we will see practical and theoretically, then we will move on practical. Okay? So in the last two introduction videos, you might have, if you have never not gone through that, I will put the video links in the description section. You can go through it. While we installed Python, ideally also not installed. Forget about VS Code for now. I'll show you later, right? We'll go to ideally. Okay. So if you open your ideally, then go to the file section, then click on a new file. Name that file hello.py, save it somewhere in the desktop or some other folder which you folder you want to save. Okay. Then inside that file, write a content something like print, open, within braces, within double quotes, write hello space. Okay. Then save the file. And then run the file. So for running the program, you have two options, right? Either you directly run from the IDE, right? Go to run, click on run module. That will run the program. Or else you can open command prompt in your Windows machine and go to the path where your file is there. Type Python space the program name. In our case, it's hello.py. Hit enter. You'll get a output. So now let's see practically how we can do it. So I'm in my ideally create new file. Okay. So let me save the file as something called I save it in desktop, right? We'll name it hello.py. Okay. Then insert that I will write print. Let's do this. Double quote hello space quote. Okay. Now I can either go here and save it, okay, or else I can follow the shortcut Control S. My file is saved. As I mentioned, either you run it from here, the program, run and run module, right? That is printing my file. Or else what we can do, we can also run it from a command prompt, Windows command. Okay. So let me go to my path. I need to go to desktop. Okay. Cd desktop. Okay. Then Python. My file name is hello.py. Okay. So it is printing my file. Okay. Now let's see what the print function does, right? Print is a function in Python, like any other language, and its job is to display output in the terminal. Okay? And hello world in our case is a string. Okay, we can also print numerics as well and other stuff as well. And Python runs your program line by line. So in the next line, if I am getting an error, it will stop there and throw me an error. Okay, and whereas in Java, you can also that it compiles the program at a go, then at the end it displays all the errors. Whereas in Python, it's not the case. So you might land up to common mistakes, right, while writing the program, like missing codes. So here we had given codes, right? to hello world, but we might miss it. Okay? Or the Python file name we had named .py. We might name some px or something that might give that will not run the program. Okay? Or if you have not installed Python and you are trying to run the Python, you will end up with the tests. Okay. Now we can also try something more, right? I can try print some name and these two sentences, right? Let me go and update the same file, right? Uh, this is my file, print, then what I will say, my name is ABC. My name is ABC, right? Then what I will say, print, remove this is my name ABC. Type that. Then you will also print I am learning Python. I am learning Python. Okay. You save the file. Then go here, you have this option. Okay, sorry, my mistake. See, these are the mistakes you will end up. I intention get that. So, so it is asking me to, since I changed, it is asking me to save the file and now it clicked OK, so it has saved the file and it had run it. So now you have also seen the example of how you can end up to errors as well. Okay. So yeah. Now it will be a challenge for you to print your name and try some of those things. And you can print your name, print your city, print your favorite language. Okay? So you can do those steps. Thank you for watching the video till now. As I promised, we have learned our first write in our first Python program within 5 minutes, right? So in the next classes, we'll be learning variables, all those basics of Python, right? So if you like the video, please hit the like button. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and also do share the video with your friends, whoever wants to learn Python for free. Okay. And if there is any suggestion or any comment, please don't forget to comment on the video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you in the next video.